Highway driving can be enjoying but deadly at the same time. An example of which I want to show you right away. So before I start speaking about what happened, see the video for yourself. Shocked? Well, even I was. Now, let's understand what happened step by step. Fellow motoring friend Chetan, he was driving on an open highway towards Agra, the Delhi Agra Old Highway. He was maintaining a safe speed under 80 kmph, as you can see on the bottom left side. There was a junction ahead and a truck slowed down to almost 0 kmph trying to take a right or a U-turn. Now, thanks to low speeds and Chetan understanding what's going to happen ahead, he was able to brake in time and change the lanes onto the left side, and hence he played safe. But the Innova could not. Now, as you can see in the rear dash footage from Chetan's vehicle, there was an older generation Innova coming in the right lane. Chetan was doing approximately 80 and the Innova was definitely at a higher speed. This Innova, the older generation, did not have ABS, so the wheels locked up. You can see the smoke, you can hear the wheels locking up, and the Innova ended up hitting the right side of the truck. Now, what I see here is that if the Innova had ABS or a modern generation car, the wheels would not lock up and the driver could have surely swerved into the small gap to escape out. Secondly, I think the driver of the Innova was not paying enough attention on the road ahead in spite of doing 85-90 kmph. And third, if this was a car with ADAS, I think the ADAS sensors could have picked up the truck ahead and could have braked automatically and hence avoiding this collision. So what I understand on a highway trip, guys, it can be enjoyable, but always keep your eyes open and understand what's happening in front of you. And most importantly, at a junction, please slow down, drive safe, take care.